So today we're going to be working on the good old 180, and I got a Mishimoto intercooler and some ISR piping, not this eBay gunk. So,
I just fucked up the zoom. Oh, there we go.
Okay. So we got this JDM Sport eBay intercooler.
Why are you taking this one out?
Cause man, dude, look how big this is, man. Looks like when Fast and Furious. It's so heinous.
So is this? Why didn't you just paint
Like
paint it black? Then it would have been Mishimoto.
No, dude, like, it won't fit like the bumper.
Is it hitting on the ground?
There's probably some scratches on it.
That's fact.
You guys want an intercooler? It's never been used.
It's never been slammed on the ground.
$100.
Okay, so Sport JDM's coming out. Mish is going in. New intercooler piper's going pipe. Gonna lay some intercooler pipe in this bitch. That's fire, dude.
Yeah. So step one, remove the bumper, or step one, get the car in the air and then remove the bumper.
Nelson also sold all his. Nelson also sold all his stupid small wheels and got these fire things.
Yeah.
Come on, Dale.
Okay, so when you get those like top bolts off, the other side off, and then you gotta get these bolts right here off. I'm sorry, I didn't plan for that to happen.
Man, it's an industrial-sized fucking refrigerator.
I've been taking some Japanese classes, some JDM classes, as some might say. So, I know it, how do you say, konnichiwa, watashi wa nasu desu. Watashi wa Canada-jin de American-jin desu. Watashi wa mechanic desu. Dozo yoroshiku.
That's cool, man.
Thank you. Oh, let's go back. It's 6:44 now.
Why are you covering your mouth now?
Well, because I don't want to.
You're just chooching through the chew.
Well, like I wasn't talking, like piping off.
Where's the fucking respect, man? Look at the intercooler handles. Saw, dude. No intercooler mod. Oh man, the snatch on.
Oh, the
Fucking
piping is circed off. How dirty is it down there, man?
I think
How dark is it?
It's pretty gunkus. I don't know what's going on with. I guess they're bolts for those.
This came in the piping.
Okay.
Nothing came with the this came with the Mishimoto intercooler. They just gave me this.
Dude, you got fucked. In 4K.
And no intercoolers, but no Alright, this is the gas tank for my dad's bike. He's painted it.
Fire. Where's the bolts, dude? Oh, who's crawdad, dude?
What am I on?
Fire angle. Let's get the above view of everything you do.
We get like a third person.
Man.
We get like third person like GTA view.
Yeah. Oh, I almost fell off. Oh, dude, we'll film everything from this angle. How the bolts fitting, dude?
Yo, no bolts fitting, man. Right. What do you mean right thread pitch?
They gotta be the right thread pitch for the hole, man.
Yeah, you just send it in there.
Oh.
Dude, cross-thread is the best thread because it won't come out.
Is that a fact?
It just won't come out,
Is
man.
that what they teach you at Toyota?
Oh yeah. Man, I don't want them to wear it work. Oh, yo, that thread's in.
I think you should probably just get the right hardware.
Man, gotta get this done tonight.
Well, it will probably be held in place by the intercooler piping. I feel like we're filming at National Geographic right now.
Yeah. Oh. We have the wild 180 SS. In its natural habitat.
Its natural habitat on jack stands.
How nicer that looks. Already.
Yeah, it was a lot nicer. Also, the black couplers blending better in than the blue ones. Vodka, no.
That's not so good.
Oh, no. Alright, don't attempt this at home because it's not smart.
Honestly.
Man, those people are over there smoking crawdad. Dude, these people are gonna get us totally stoned. Crawdad in the stew. Oh my god. Cousin fucking boost leak making motherfucking son of a bitch. Fucking get the crawdad out here. Oh my god, you're gonna have to line up the clamp perfectly with your electrical tape. If you don't have severe boost leaks, what are you doing? Alright, so that sphincter's going down in that hole. And we'll get that crawdadder on there, and we'll check back in.
I'm getting these nice and snuggy, doggy.
Chill out, bro. It's fine. Alright, this pipe's coming through over here. That's like fever dream. That looks like it should work.
Oh yeah, that is very nice. And you gotta get a
Hose for that.
dude. Honestly, why does like every like car project be like, oh, it'll be pretty quick? Did not turn out to be quick. Why? Here, why don't we just clamp it on here, then get it in there? Okay, well, we got everything's attached. All the clamps are tight. It's a bit wonkadoodle over there because mismatch parts. This is the only bad thing is that we just got boom and boom.
Dude, let's just... Yeah, so this gap's like twice as big as on the other piping. Let's just stretch it. You grab one end. Oh, it's split too?
There's a mile on the road.
You can fit him in smack. The mismatched tires, dude.
Wait, why'd you swap the tires?
Huh?
Why'd you swap the tires?
I didn't. It was like 10 o'clock. These are Ben's tires.
Oh, these are Ben's long champs? Oh, okay. Where are your long champs?
Not Ben's tires.
Yeah, straight trade.
Yeah, dude, straight trade.
Straight trade.
It's a deal for you. Feel that coupler.
Look, this?
If you just feel it.
How much engagement you got?
Dude.
Oh, it's like caddy. That's fine.
Yeah.
Man. That won't leak.
Yeah, but dude, I saw your pipe. Dude, I paid like $700 for this setup.
Well, ISR's free eBay. What do you expect, man?
No, it's like I got it from like Injuku Racing website.
Oh, that shit's fire, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Dude, he had like... This coupler didn't fit at all, so we wrapped electrical tape around the piece that comes off the turbo to make it fit.
That's so bunk. How much was this? 700. Man, you could have bought a high
For the intercooler and the piping.
Jeebus, man. Oh, you got any lube, dude?
I got WD-40.
No, like we need lube.
No, this is just smaller.
We need some KY jelly to go on that big one. No, that's all I'm gonna say. They make flavors.
I think so.
Let me pretend like I don't know they make flavors.
Wait, they have like strawberry?
I got some hot sauce.
Yeah, fucking fired on, dude. No, do you have a knife or something though?
Hot sauce.
What did you have here before then?
There's like a little piece and a split. That's not the one that needed the lube.
Can you imagine using hot sauce as a lube? Can you imagine the pain you'd be in?
Try it, dude.
Someone's definitely tried it in the comments.
Dude, you have like,
Oh,
you have
for
like a
sure.
cut in your finger, forget about it. Fuck!
I think that'd be the least of your worries.
Jesus, man.
Will this work? Most
Oh.
he's using the wrong tool.
Wrong tool or no tool?
Yeah.
How's that actually sharp?
Dude, I don't like it. I think my parents use it to circumcise me.
Yeah, those clamps or zip tie?
Sit fine and shit.
Alright, dude. Mint, dude.
pretty loud.
Cool, man.
How bright is that?
It's like looking into the sun, dude.
Watch it. It's like a little bit louder.
Yeah, I think so too.
Do a prison style?
My
Imagine getting like stick and poke on your fucking schlong, dude.
On your ball sack. I wonder what that
What do you
would
think would be worse? Sack or cack?
Sack.
I don't know, man. Maybe cack. Nah, sack. Cause
No,
like,
not the shaft, but like
no,
The head?
the head.
Raw head?
Head or
well, like whenever you get like hit in the balls, you don't feel it in your penis. You feel it in your ball sack, and it goes to
You know
your.
when you get sacked and
your
you like feel it like in your lower back?
Yeah, like that's one of the. I would say sack.
That's probably worse than childbirth, I think.
Dude, I was thinking about this earlier today. I forgot when. Dude, just give me a second.
Why was that the oil why was that the dipstick hit?
It's went to the moon, dude. It's up there with the Doge. All that work for nothing.
Well, that didn't sound good. What was that?
Loose leak.
Yeah, automatic. Here, wait, disconnect it?
All the hot sauce. I got to ease into it. Like I just on that last one, I just eased into it and it was fine. And then when I fully pinned the gas, it just boom.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
Maybe I'll just throw the hood on just so I can go get some gas.
on, dude.
Yeah, chuck it on there.
Throw the bumper on, I mean, fuck. It's not a Toyota.
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube.